Good day. My name is Zahndri Wallace, and today I'll be discussing a lesson plan I developed as part of my JLZ 300 exam equivalent assignment. The subject I chose is life skills. It is intended for grade 1 learners, and my topic is what plants need to grow. This lesson is grounded in practical activities and instructional communication strategies that I've learned in this module. JLZ 300 focuses on providing future teachers with essential communication skills and classroom literacies needed to thrive in their teaching careers, ensuring they can engage effectively with learners and create a productive learning environment. In my lesson, I employed several instructional communication strategies from JLZ 300 to enhance student engagement and understanding. I started with clear and concise language, using simple explanations to introduce the 4 essential elements for plant growth. For example, I described sunlight as the light that helps plants make food, to ensure clarity. To reinforce these concepts, I incorporated visual aids, such as a PowerPoint presentation with colorful images of plants in sunlight, water, and soil. The theme board included tactile elements like actual soil and leaves, making abstract ideas more tangible for young learners. The lesson featured hands-on activities, including a seed planting exercise, where each student planted a seed in a small pot. This practical experience deepened their understanding of how plants grow from seeds. During the planting activity, I modeled each step of the planting process. I said to the learners, "Take your bag of soil and hold it up in the air," followed by, "Now let us fill our small cups 3/4 full of soil." After demonstrating how to make a hole for the seed, I said, "Now place your seed inside the soil." Then I asked, "What do we do next?" This structured approach helped reinforce their understanding of plant needs. Cooperative learning was integrated during the wrap-up when I asked, "What do you think will affect your plant's growth over the next 3 weeks?" Learners discussed their thoughts in small groups before sharing with the class, allowing them to collaborate and reflect on their experiences. Finally, I used inquiry-based learning by asking open-ended questions throughout the lesson, such as, "What do you think will happen if a plant doesn't get sunlight?" This prompted discussions and allowed students to express their thoughts and predictions, fostering critical thinking and active participation. These strategies align with key aspects of JLZ 300, emphasizing effective communication, active learning, and interactive methods that facilitate understanding. In my lesson plan, the classroom is a space for social interaction, where learners can express their ideas and engage in cooperative activities. I create an environment where every learner can share their thoughts, fostering inclusivity. To manage diversity, I use multiple learning modalities, including visual aids, kinesthetic activities, and verbal discussions. I also ensure that group activities promote collaboration among learners of varying abilities, ensuring that all voices are heard and respected. Inclusivity is key to managing diverse learners. I designed the activities in my lesson to be accessible to all learners, regardless of their abilities or learning styles. By integrating sensory experiences such as feeling the soil or smelling herbs, I catered to different sensory preferences. I also catered for different learning styles to promote active participation. For visual learners, I used a PowerPoint presentation with images of plants, sunlight, soil, and water, helping them grasp essential concepts. Auditory learners benefited from my clear verbal explanations on why plants need sunlight and water. Kinesthetic learners were engaged through the hands-on seed planting activity, which enable them to learn about plant care through physical involvement. Lastly, the Plant Observation Journal allowed learners who learn best through reading and writing to document their observations and reflect on their plant's growth. Effective communication skills are essential in my teaching as they play a crucial role in ensuring that my lessons are clear, engaging, and inclusive for all learners. However, I anticipate challenges, such as ensuring equal engagement among all learners and managing time effectively during group activities. To address these challenges, I will reflect on my practice, seek feedback from colleagues and learners, and adjust my strategies as needed. I am committed to nurturing an inclusive classroom where every learner feels valued and engaged. By adapting my teaching methods, I aim to help students grasp the material while fostering a love for learning that will serve them well beyond the classroom.